week.
Hello. Welcome to our class. My name is Sandy and I will be your teacher for today. Today, we will learn days of the week. Peter, Zach, and the rest of their friends will help us today. Are you boys ready?
We are ready, Miss Sandy. Hey, Peter. Do you remember what the first day of the week is? Yes, Zach. First day of the week is Sunday. That is right. It is Sunday. Say it with me. Sunday. 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 Good job. Yes, all of you, well done. Just remember to take your time.
Monday.
The second day of the week is Monday. Say it with me. Monday. 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 Super. You all are doing great.
Tuesday.
The third day of the week is Tuesday. Say it with me. Tuesday. 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 Great! You guys are rock stars. Remember to take as much time as you need.
Wednesday.
Hey guys. I am Amara. The fourth day of the week is Wednesday. Say it with me. Wednesday. 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 Fantastic. You are all doing so well. Remember to take your time.
Thursday.
You all are doing so good. We are almost done. The fifth day of the week is Thursday. Repeat after me. Thursday. 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 Well done. You are all great students.
Friday.
Hey guys. I am Stella. The sixth day of the week is Friday. Let us say it together. Friday. 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 Awesome. Do not forget to take your time.
Saturday. Hello! I am Mehmet. The last day is Saturday. Repeat after me. Saturday. 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 Really nice job, all of you. Make sure you practice.
Thanks for stopping by. We will see you next time. Goodbye and take care.